Hello everyone, I am Varun Maheshwari and today we are here to conduct two projects practicals on our Cisco packet tracer. So the first experiment will be to control forwarding table observation, and the second is to layer 3 control forwarding table automatic updation using RIP, which is routing information protocol. So we will start with the first one, control forwarding table observations. So before we start with it, first of all I'll give you the overview of Cisco packet tracer. This is the actual panel where we would be placing all our devices. The devices available will be here in the bottom. These are various like routers, switches, and various routers or switches would be there here, the specific device and its subtypes. So we will start with it. For the first experiment we will be needing a switch, so we can take the switch. We can select it by dragging and dropping. For we can attach devices to it, so here we have PC or any device, so we use we need to connect these devices using a cable, so we use generic cables for this. Automatically we can select it, which can be used here. So now if we try to ping from PC0 to PC1, PC1 has no functional ports, it would say. It is because we haven't set any IP for this. So now by going here desktop ipconfig 10.10.10.2 10.10.10.1. This could be our gateway. Similarly we can give IP here. We can give 10.10.10.5 and 10.10.10.1. This has to be same as the previous one. So we can see these links turn green, which means that the link is on. Now when we try to ping from PC0 to PC1, we can see it is successful. So it is similar here. So we have to check the addresses, updation of MAC address. So here we go to the switch, CLI mode, simple command, show MAC address table. Before starting this experiment, this has to be empty because there was no any node connected to it. Now as there is a packet transfer, you can see that the MAC address table is updated and these are the two entries. So this is how was our first experiment. Now we can continue with the same thing. We can remove this PC. So now we can start with it again. Okay. For the second experiment, we will be using switch, router as well. So first of all we can get all the switches. We use generic routers here. And we connect generic node to the switch. Now again we connect it using the automatic choose one cable here. whenever we will be joining any two similar devices, like we will be doing it again here, router and router, then we can use this cable, this is serial DT cable. So we use serial 20, again serial 30. So now again we can see that these links are red, which means they are off. So we need to set up the IPs to each devices first. So here we go. First we can start with this desktop IP configuration 10.10.10.2, 10.10.10.1 will be our gateway. Similarly, we can assign here as 20.20.20.2, 20.20.20.1 will be our gateway. Here can give 30 as our IP, 30.30.30.2 and 30.30.30.1 will be our gateway. Just remember that we can add any number of switch nodes to the switches as according to the switch. So if any node permits to allow, here we can see that these many links are there for switch, we can add that many number of nodes. So now as we have set the IP for each of the PCs, again we can see that these links are red. To make it on, we need to assign IPs to the routers as well. So we go config. So first of all we go to fast Ethernet 00, where we set the IP as 10.10.10.1 according to our gateway. Subnet mask is automatically generated, and now we make this on to make the link on. And now we even add the serial 20. It is because we have two connections related to this router. This one is first, which was fast Ethernet 00. Now we will be doing for serial 20. So we assign this as 172.16.1.1 and make this link on. Now the second router, we give fast Ethernet 00 as 20.20.20.1 and just start this link and change the serial 20 port as 172.16.1.2 because in the previous router we gave 1.1, and we start this link. Here we have three connections, so we add the third one as well, 192.16.1.1, and start this link. And now for the third router, we change it as fast Ethernet becomes 30.30.30.1 and start this link, and our serial 30 port becomes 192.16.1.2. Now we can see the links are on, but still if we try sending the packet from one to any of the PC, we can see that it fails. It is because there is no any protocol assigned with these routers, for which we have a simple command again. We go to the CLI mode, route RIP. This is the command for which we need to give two more commands. We need to inform that router in which network it is present. So network 10.10.10.0. This is the first one. We provide here the network ID as well as again 172.16.1.0. So now we have set this router. So again we go to the CLI mode of the second router and same commands, router RIP and network 20.20.20.0, network 192.16.1.0 and 172.168.1.0. So we have all the three networks. Now the last router, again go to CLI mode in the same commands, and 30.30.30.0 and network 192.16.1.0. Here we are just informing the routers in which network they are present. So now if we try sending the packets, you can see it feeds again. It is just because is the first packet to be sent. Now we can say it is successfully sent. Now again if we see, so we can see here successful. So these are the successful packet traces. We can send it from any node to any node. Now our job is to check if the layer control 3, this was how we set up for the using the RIP protocol. Thank you.